Too Many Toyotas.
Hello everybody, this is Triple T or Too Many Toyotas, and today we're doing autocross with the boys. We got Buddy, Dylan in the line here, and Artie and all that. Doxing everybody today. But yeah, Camry's here, TC's here, and then a line Civic over there. But yeah, we're at West Shore Community College in Ludington to do this. Should be pretty cool today. We only got pretty low amount of entrants, so we should get a decent amount of runs today. Course is more or less pretty simple. Oh, any comments?
I mean, it goes back on itself, and
yeah,
like a choose your lane thing. So yeah.
Yeah, there's a couple like variances in it and stuff you can do, but yeah, I'm sure.
I think we cracked the code though. I think we'll be good.
Yeah, I think you just enter on the left, and then
first time you go right, and then you go left around the U-turn. Then yeah. Anyway.
I don't know. I thought I was gonna go right around the U-turn, and then. But anyway, we'll figure it out. But yeah, some footage coming up.
Left hand turn.
Oh yeah, we only go left.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Yep. It's still really slow. I don't know what changed, but
my fat ass, I'm 270 pounds.
Yeah, it might be. You had a good run without anybody in it. That'd be good.
Okay.
Yeah, I was letting up a lot of time for there. Was that wheel hop or
I just lost the grip.
59 even?
Yeah. That's pretty good for a run with a passenger. I think I got some more.
Oh yeah.
Meanwhile.
All right, whatever.
You're good.
All right, so we're switching back to the regular tires. I can tell you one thing though, these things are real slidey sometimes. I'm sure you could see it on the footage there and in the other one. But yeah, and I managed to beat Dylan in the TC, at least his time. My brother whooped my ass, of course. That always happens.
First time doing a race event since 2019.
Yeah, but
You got some major rubbing.
yeah, I mean, I figured I did. Yeah, these tires don't exactly fit back here. You can see we got the very not tech inspection compliant spacers. But yeah, overall it was a good time. Maybe we'll get an interview with Ari once he rolls back over here.
All right, you're live.
All right, well, we're all done. Everybody's got their runs in. You know, like I was saying in the little previous segment there, it's kind of a weird issue to have when the main problem in your front-wheel drive car is having way too much oversteer. But we did okay, but not as well as these two guys, so we'll let them talk.
If my car handled the boards, it has handled a while, but I'm okay. I did like a 58 seconds down round.
Yeah, I managed a 57.8. We didn't get that one on camera because I think they were already headed back to the paddock. So.
Yeah, we had the camera back here.
Yeah, but I mean, I just did marginally better than the one we got on camera. It was like from a 58 flat to a 57.3, 57.8.
Yeah, so they're pretty close together, this car and that car. And
Yeah. No,
I'm
I
at,
think if I'm beating him, I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, got like almost no mods on this.
Yeah, you're definitely a better driver. That's way comes
I
out.
wasn't gonna say.
all right. But yeah, I mean, a lot of fun today. And then yeah, Dylan got his first runs in a while, which is good too. So yeah, this has been Triple Tier Too Many Toyota signing off.